In today's top cryptocurrency news, October 11, 2022, in the first new, SEC rejects WisdomTrees application for a spot Bitcoin ETF, again. Similar to its December 2021 rejection of a WisdomTree spot Bitcoin investment vehicle, the SEC cited concerns about fraud and market manipulation. In the second new, why is the crypto market down today? Crypto prices are falling, and it seems like there's no bottom in sight. Here are 3 reasons why the cryptocurrency market is down. In the third new, mass adoption will be terrible for crypto. From reversible transactions to increased regulation and a rising tide of censorship, mass adoption is going to make crypto look more like the systems we're trying to escape. In the fourth new, BNY Mellon, America's oldest bank, launches crypto services. The bank will store private keys and provide bookkeeping services equivalent to those offered to fund managers in traditional assets. In the fifth new, US Treasury's OFAC and FinCEN announced $29 million in enforcement actions against Bittrex. Bittrex agreed to pay more than $29 million in a settlement with FinCEN, but the regulator said it will credit a $24 million payment to settle its potential liability with OFAC. In the sixth new, DAOs are in era 3.0 thanks to an infrastructure renaissance report. There are over 4,000 active DAOs, with treasuries totaling around $20 billion, which has many speculating that DAOs may still be a growing trend. In the seventh new, $25,000 or $15,000 BTC, CPI and US inflation data coming out on Thursday. Watch the market report. On this week's episode of the Market Report, Cointelegraph's resident experts discussed the new CPI data and US inflation rate to be announced on Thursday, October 13th. In the eighth new, Bitcoin prepares for CPI showdown as BTC price dips below $19,000 cost basis. BTC price performance declines in line with US equities ahead of classic volatility engendered by CPI data. In the ninth new, Crypto Stories, how an entrepreneur raised $10 million for her startup during a bear market. Josipa Magic explains what she and her partners did to build a crypto company at a time when investors were fleeing the space. In the 10th new, Vyper, Solidity and Scrypto, how the smart contract languages compare. A look at 3 different programming languages for blockchain networks and how they compare. In the 11th new, GITEX Global 2022 discusses how to educate mainstream media on crypto. Cointelegraph's editor-in-chief, Christina Corner, participated in a panel that discussed the topic of cryptocurrency and the media. In the 12th new, Polkadot, how parachains are changing a blockchain-centric ecosystem. Parity Chief Marketing Officer Peter Ruschartz discusses the ins and outs of Polkadot's focus on interoperability at Token 2049. In the 13th new, breaking, Google taps Coinbase to bring crypto payments to cloud services. Google says that early next year, users will be able to pay for cloud services using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether via Coinbase. In the 14th new, Tether stablecoin issuer freezes 8.2 M USDT on Ethereum, data. Tether has frozen a total of 215 USDT addresses on Ethereum in 2022 so far, according to data compiled by ETH researcher Philippe Castonguay. In the 15th new, community interaction beaming through the crypto space, blockchain economy Dubai 2022. The Blockchain Economy Dubai Summit 2022 highlighted that the crypto community is eager to engage and interact with fellow community members. In the 16th new, economists debunk the banking system and win the Nobel Prize. 3 economists were awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences for their decades of research on societal reactions to financial crises and avoiding bank collapses. In the 17th new, crypto and digital bank Mineplex secures $100 million in funding from GEM. The funding will be used in new banking technologies, including a collaboration with MasterCard and Visa for crypto transactions. In the 18th new, Portugal proposes 28% tax on annual crypto trading profits next year. The cryptocurrency tax haven could see taxes levied on profits realized from cryptocurrency trading or capital gains within a year of their acquisition. In the 19th new, Bitcoin risks key support as trader says BTC price bottomed at $17,600. Investor cost basis narrowly escapes a support resistance flip as traders diverge over whether Bitcoin has really bottomed. In the 20th new, the Web3 Foundation taps edX for free courses on blockchain and Polkadot. The first 2 out of the 4-course series on blockchain and Polkadot will start on October 20th. The enrollment is open now. In the 21st new, it's legislation season in the EU, Law Decoded, October 3rd to 10th. In 1 week, the EU institutions voted in favor of a crypto-friendly resolution and promoted MiCA to the next stage. In the 22nd new, Binance, Sequoia still backing Elon Musk's bid for Twitter. The Twitter deal is back on this month, and Binance confirmed to Cointelegraph that it intends to support the deal as part of its push for Web3 adoption. In the 23rd new, Nifty news, IPE bamboozles crypto users with NFT, Logan Paul's NFT falls to $10 and more. The YouTube star's huge loss on his NFT has been bumped up by a measly bid after he shared how much it had dropped in value since his purchase last year. In the 24th new, zero-knowledge KYC could solve the privacy versus compliance conundrum, VC partner. Zero-knowledge Know Your Customer, KYC, would allow businesses to adhere to strict AML/CTF rules while ensuring customer privacy. In the 25th new, fake Solana wallet security update is trying to steal your crypto, reports. Password-stealing malware is being spread by hackers through NFT airdrops purporting to be Solana Phantom security updates. In the 26th new, NFTs transform how fans bet on upcoming sports stars. A fan-centric Web3 sports platform uses NFTs to bring a new level of connectivity and ownership to betting on the success of upcoming athletes. In the 27th new, Ethereum scaling protocol ZK Sync's Layer 3 prototype set for testing in 2023. Matter Labs Chief Product Officer Steve Newcomb emphasized to Cointelegraph that the launch of its L3 prototype will significantly improve the performance of its L2 solution. In the 28th new, metaverse platforms refute misinformation about daily active users. User data from DappRadar consists of metaverse users who have also made an in-game purchase with the project's native token, but the Decentraland and Sandbox projects disagree with that criteria. In the 29th new, Coinbase gains in-principle approval for Singapore crypto license. The country is a key institutional market for the exchange according to the CEO of Coinbase Singapore, who explained it's also working with local industry groups to improve regulations. In the 30th new, customer support gets swamped during market swings, Exchange XX. Binance Australia's CEO says it is imperative that customer support is ready for a large influx of customer inquiries at any moment. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.